進み続ける地球温暖化、救世主になるかもしれないのが秋の味覚さつまいも。
芋を食べたらおならが出やすいですけど、中にメタンがあるんです。芋はね、メタンを作るんですね。
津波です。津波です。津波です。こちらでは配送手続きのご予約変更を承っております。お客様の会員番号をお願いいたします。会員番号は01234567ですね。確認いたしました。現在3月25日ご自宅へ配送のご予約をいただいております。それでは3月25日ご自宅へ配送の予定を3月26日のご配送に変更いたします。3月26日は降雪のため配送が遅れることがあります。津波です。
Call 1-800-4BIKERS. We ride, we care, we win. If you go down, call Russ Brown. Motorcycle Attorneys.
This is CNN Breaking News.
We begin this afternoon with breaking news. A tsunami warning has been issued for the entire U.S. West Coast. This follows after an undersea volcanic eruption 1,000 miles east of Japan early today. Take a look at this image, which shows spectacular satellite video of gigantic ash clouds and shock waves. A 45-meter tsunami struck Japan as a result of the eruption.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Washington State Emergency Operations Center. This is a volcano warning. Mount St. Helens was elevated to code red by the USGS at 2:45 p.m., indicating that a major eruption is underway with significant emission of volcanic ash into the atmosphere. An evacuation order has been issued for all residents living within 500 miles of the volcano. If you are outside the 500-mile radius, seek indoor shelter now. Close all windows, doors, and fireplace or wood stove dampers. You should protect yourself from falling ash that can irritate skin and injure breathing passages, eyes, and open wounds. Use a well-fitting, certified face mask, such as an N95.
Welcome to Rain News 24. I'm Ailsie Rousseau, and I'm here live on air to bring you this breaking news story. We're seeing live footage of the erupting Mount Vesuvius, as local officials report pyroclastic flow threatens areas near the volcano. The mayor of Naples has issued an evacuation order. This is a breaking news story. We will provide crucial updates as they become available. Stay tuned.
Emergenza civile. Emergenza civile. Si tratta di un avviso di eruzione vulcanica. L'Istituto Nazionale di Geofisica e Vulcanologia ha individuato una super eruzione dei campi Fleggei 15, minuti dopo la prima eruzione osservata del Vesuvius. La città di Napoli e i suoi dintorni sono in grave pericolo. I flussi di lava a velocità fino a 48 km/h stanno attuando tutti i percorsi. In Volcano. Aspettati una forte caduta di cenere.